Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of that. And this is a better scenario. I've done this plaque a couple of times with different names on it. And I would engrave this really deep. And it really works if you make sure it's in the top left corner, your plaque is square. Then you could take it out and sand off the burn residue. Then take all this and nudge it out of the way and bring this back. And then you could run that at really lightly. It'll just barely cover up that text. It'll be just like a shadow. Well, the person that suggested doing the other video, and I'm gonna just do it, he suggested in layers, so we're gonna go to this gear looking thing and layer and new layer, and we're gonna take this group of 2 objects, which is this, and you can see it when you check on it, and we're gonna move it to that second layer, and then we're gonna hit no print. So all this is gonna print. And then you can turn that off and turn on layer 2 and then print that. And what I like about this, if you do it like at a 80 power and 100 speed, and it's not quite dark enough, you could rerun it at 100 power or 50 power and 100 speed and just lightly go over that. You could still read the text. Anyway, so that's printing with layers, or actually working with layers. And you can actually go to this layer and not see it. You can put this eyeball. You can undo that. You can actually lock it so you can't move it. No matter what you do, you can't grab that other layer. You can grab all the text, but you can't grab that. So it's like an object in lock. You can lock it right here and unlock it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.